Buying marble is waste of money. Yes, you heard it right. Let me tell you why. Hi, this is Sanjana, an interior designer from Bangalore. So basically what happened was I wanted to buy marble for my very premium client. So the marble purchase was close to 25 lakhs plus for their house. So I visited a lot of marble places in Bangalore, and guess what happened? So one thing I found very common everywhere was they usually pick up the entire block and keep it in the yard. So I thought, "ठीक है, chalo, we'll give a try. Let's see." But honestly, I was actually disappointed, and that is because I'm buying a marble worth 25 lakhs plus for the premium client, and you are making purchase for such a big value looking at just 50,000 worth slabs. That is the first two slabs. That's when you ask them, you book match it and show it to us, and that's how it happens, right? So what happened? I went to many places, and I don't know what clicked my mind, but I asked them randomly. I picked up the slabs. So it was all broken, and lot of things were not in place and things like that. And then somebody recommended me to visit Adia Stones. I went there, hoping that I won't be disappointed again. But yes, I was not disappointed, because when I went there, the first two slabs were definitely polished, and they book matched it and all. But then I was still curious, because everywhere I found the same thing. So randomly from the blocks what they had on display, I picked up maybe 4 random slabs and asked them to book match it. 2 and 2, yes, it did match, and there was no effect in anything. There was no cracks or things like that. So that's when I met Mr. Mehak, and I asked him, what is that speciality that people would recommend you? And that's when he told us that they don't buy blocks, they buy process slabs. So every slab is being checked by the backend team. The expertise checks them, and that's when they get it to their yard. I didn't believe it, but post that, yes, I asked them to pick up these random slabs, and when I saw it, trust me, I was not disappointed. And my client was super happy, and then and there 50% we paid, and we blocked it. Extremely beautiful collections they have, and you know why wasting money is one big thing, but buying marble is a big waste of money if you don't look into the right product where you're investing. And that's when this came into the picture. Yes, you must visit, and you must figure it out by yourself and see. You also pick up random slab. You won't be disappointed, just like me. I first felt that traveling so far, how will I do it? But I was quite happy. I was not disappointed traveling that far. My energy, my time, everything was worth it. Bye.